Today we're gonna talk about training goals. I am Honling for SixDragonsKungFu.com. If you like what am I doing, please share our Kung Fu, share our videos, like, comment and subscribe. The first goal you have to think of is to train every day. If you're a beginner, do not start to focus on immediately reaching martial skills. That is impossible. If you focus on martial skills at the beginning, you will fail because they will not be at your disposal in a few times. You try, you understand that you cannot reach those goals and you leave training. Wrong. The best thing to do is to focus on the idea of daily training. This is the first skill to acquire, daily training capability. If you don't like to train every day, please don't start to learn Kung Fu. It is a matter of daily dedication, preparation, discipline and concentration. Without these three core points, you will never get anything. Once you learn to train every day without interruptions, except for 1 day of recovery each week, you will start to automatically build martial skills, real martial skills. I'm not talking about those tricks, those games, they are useless. I am talking about real capability in a fight situation, a self-defense situation. At an intermediate level, you will be able to start to think to martial goals, but not as beginner. At that moment, you will have to focus on a specific skill. What are the real skills? Let me tell you some examples. I talk about conditioning, speed of execution, spatial intelligence, endurance. All the rest, like breaking rocks, breaking wood, and so on, are only jokes, are more near to juggling. You have to be patient. If you think that real martial skills can be acquired in a few days, in a few weeks, in a few months, you are totally out of concept. You have to know that real martial skills are built in years. Their effectiveness increase and increase and increase during the years. But you cannot build them in a few days. If you can, sorry, those are not martial skills, are useless. If you are learning something that anyone can do in a few hours, in a few days, that is useless. It is not worth to be learned. The real things that makes difference in a combat situation are those that cannot be easily copied, duplicated. How to acquire advanced level martial skills. First, you have to understand what is the path. Second, you have to ask yourself if you can follow that path from the beginning to the end. Third, you have to start gradually. If you want to learn deeper and faster, you can follow our core course. I am Honling for SixDragonsKungFu.com. See you in the next video.